like a Hellcat.
Ayo, what is up, gang? It's your bro Francis, back again with another reaction video. So today we are gonna react to a comedy video from Meghalaya. So there is this comedy video called Chiiung Get Talent featuring Nam Special and Kids. And there is a disclaimer here: this video is a work of fiction. In no way does the video insult any stream, feel, people from different occupations. This video is just for entertainment purpose. It should not be taken seriously. So without further ado, let's just dive in and enjoy the ride and check out what this comedy video has for us on the table. And yeah, before we totally get into the video, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe and be a part of the family. And to all the subscribers, thank you so much for all the love and support you guys have been showing constantly. It truly means a lot. And a huge shout out to my brother Remiki for recommending me this video. So guys, go and check out Remiki's podcast. They do a podcast called the Neighborhood Boys Podcast. It is based in Shillong, so you guys go and check out and subscribe to their YouTube channel. So let's just jump straight into this video. Let's enjoy the ride. Special thanks to Chivi's family. Oh, the whole gang.
Hello guys, welcome to Chiiung Get Talant. So are you guys excited?
Yes.
So let's get ready.
Okay.
Introducing the judges. Judge number 1, the atomic bomb Simon Kongla. And judge number 2, we have the garbage dumpster Kong Trash.
Garbage
And
dumpster.
number 3, cowboy hat wearing Principal Crown.
Oh.
So ladies and gentlemen, that's
By the way, this is a Pnar language, but we have the English subtitles, so we can enjoy it to the fullest. Oh, nice rap.
First contestant, excuse me. First contestant, excuse me. Teka man pertay mi. Pertay ata.
He forgot his name.
Hayang kecak mah. Hoi, bay. Hey, isa pertu ja. Sekian deh.
He's calling his mom.
Dah. Nga tau Conrad.
Oh.
Để you pun yo mi im tu.
Conrad. The king of tambourine. Oh wow.
Tu ata.
Crazy.
Kini kita len yang mi man gawa perba. Njo yoi. Mana peki mi gitu kiti yang mi ketubul ero mi itu man go baba yang meriang.
Exactly.
The principal crown.
Kini kata len yang me ko ya hap pa siam. Mi ham persep ai ka. Nyau mi. Keep it up.
Simon Kongla.
Speechless.
Tak ada tak for you boleh kata. The principal crown.
Full yes.
Simon.
Wow.
Yes.
So he is Simon Cowell, the local one. Cowell or Cowell?
Nanya no.
Compare. Artally your yes that you are selected.
Sugar crush.
Oh, Candy Crush.
Next round mah. Where on Pino?
Tu xin vừa con you dah.
Last time I
Next
saw him with my
contestant.
daughter.
You put it, huh?
Nghe phụ sự ở chú lý.
Một uốn thôi ni you put nhiều vậy.
Ở ruồi á.
Biang. Tetap. Sedang no. Yo. Apa?
Yelling at the sky,
Oh wow.
screaming at the world. Baby, why'd you go away? I'm still your girl. Holding on too tight, head up in the clouds. Heaven only knows where you are now. How do I love again?
Beautiful voice.
How do I trust again? I stay up all night, tell myself I'm alright. Baby, you're just harder to see than most. I put the record on, wait till I hear your song. Every night I'm dancing with your coat.
That's much of by phone, but still, yes. The principal club.
Bakla phone. The ruồi pun yang perang. I can understand English. Ham chop he. Nangano.
Contrast.
พากำลังมากบรูมาเวรวายไปเล่นขมด It's a no from me.
Oof.
You can leave.
Sad, very sad.
Oh, dude.
Real talents have no respect these days. Very sad. We are in a pathetic situation.
Dude, wala. Auto-tune.
Yeah.
Coba ya, Bang. Kena kan ni star maker. Terus nyawi professional singer. Dah kero di betanda.
Daddy, little princess. Daddy, little princess.
I have seen a lot of daddy's little princess on Instagram, Facebook and everywhere on social media, man.
Daddy, little princess.
Oh.
Looking to learn music,
Oh, we got
dance,
it. Ad.
new language, art and craft, public speaking.
Kamu bertujuh.
Inong yung cha ay bulo pa mi. Dalam jo yai. Nistep than nik jat line to nich nam yo bai gri chong taxi.
Oh. So sad. This is basically what all the talent shows does. You know, big talent shows like Indian Idol or Dance India Dance or whatever. You know, the big you know, those platforms, they do this drama for the sake of TRP. You know, we are emotional people, and you know, they make the very good use of our emotion. Oh. Easy. Damn.
Next contestant. Nervous pa? Di laban.
Wow. Harsh.
Memet.
Wow, so rude. So rude, so rude.
Next. Ibur tu ni.
Jura.
Tekna itelan ni.
Usma do kan jikan.
Ade. Tomat jasme. Oh yang sansin sang kawan.
Hasan.
Hasan. Ah probably.
Harole. Wah bet. Tengah tep-tep. Itu kalkulator nih.
Arhosan.
Arosan.
Mai mega menite khatsan. Watan kecak memenjan.
Awas smart hanang. Sekian.
Smart how?
Smart do.
You're selected.
Damn.
Kok pindah deh.
OP judges.
Next.
Deh, dong mari lo. Seni des smart dama. Tim mau tem.
Hao mo yo bu ka.
Kalau bu ke dong garam ah.
Che, to bong.
By the way, hewan boom ka tu gitar nih.
Ini.
Iya mah gitar lah.
Oh.
Impossible.
Impossible. Oh, what a holy moly talent.
Hey. Ini suara tu kisah. Wah. Ada ni suara. Lupa ya.
Holy moly talent show. Oh.
You are selected. Selected.
Damn.
Next contestant.
Come on, protect me.
I love his handkerchief on his neck.
You let me in too. The way let me clam me. Sedang.
Oh, touching, very touching. Oh, too emotional.
Thank you. Welcome.
He lied.
Thank you. Hey, mana? Hey. Salah.
Salah.
Nanti tiba kelam.
Oh.
Karena
Damn, man. Amazing story.
Next, please. Next contestant. So, tell me about yourself.
You jumut ya?
Ang kena sepang bayu payung me.
Macam senang deh.
pun you ingat dah.
Oh.
Tu. DJ.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Simon,
Speechless.
Crash.
Oh.
Meno tu chat dah yau. Ila mut mi gini yau. This is the biggest stage in our Chiiung. And you brought shame to our Chiiung.
Oh.
Shameless.
Risky bhag ni gila me. Bad influence.
I don't want to see this boy there.
Yes.
Anyway, it's time to vote. 1, 2, 3.
No.
Yes.
We got advertisement in here.
Next.
Oh, mysterious guy. Scary.
Te come on patut me.
Oh,
You pun jo me.
that suspense music. Oh.
Wow. Oh my god.
Damn. I used to do this trick when I was in school and all. We used to do this one. Wow. Damn it. Man, my cheeks are hurting. Catapult. Bro.
Principal Crown. Kini ke ak yang menang, man go ke inspiration. Ya kiu kuat lah doctor engineer.
Oh,
Inspire her.
so irrelevant.
Keep it up, my boy.
Mrs. Simon Kong
Oppa.
lah.
Ketua mas mi nantin ga.
Getu ke last act yang me. Getu butan mi kam tu na. Getu gravity itu man go cakai ba. Lado Albert Einstein la ngai jo. Lado ông mai ni. Lado gari define dia theory yang oh. Keep it up. I'm very proud of you. Simon,
Yes.
Principal Crow.
No.
It's okay. From my side, no.
Oh.
Double wear of ear me. Nyamam share dia.
So that's all for today, guys. See you next time.
Oh. I really thought it was over. Wow, local bazaar.
Vote for me, vote for me. Beli tiket nah. Tiket nah.
Oh. Wow. The judges are rich now, very rich.
Begitu.
All 100 rupees.
Cim segitu. Kau bang ingat. Lelat.
Ngạc nhé.
Kau judge ni sana kat dah.
Yes.
Bila rupiah, Sir Simon?
Tu baik tenau tu. Mem kampus sao. Dalam kampus sam.
Coins.
Wow. Kamu ikut ngami untuk baca. Terbiang no? Kalau tadi om baca ni bro.
Sekian kartu gue, top file rezeki.
Ni kan senam. Yomi. Kita juga charjak. You paham kita tiket? You paham kita? Temen punya tu lah business. This is business.
This is business. Everything is business these days.
Anjuk betai business yang dulu. Ilan. Telepon. Oi Sir Simon. Aho. Ketua pelan itu. Ketua ke show te. Mohon ke pe. Mie kita kena kita uji dia mie dah tekan. Dah flop kata. Oh, that's the thing. Mami cak. Tak. So sorry.
Wow. Awesome, amazing. I really love this comedy video. It was really funny and the message is really deep and strong in this one. You know, this is what is going on in the talent shows. India's Got Talent, AGT or whatever, you know. They look for drama, you know, that sad emotional story they add up so that, you know, they can play with our emotion and the TRP in the channel will grow up. So these things are being played in most of the fields. And yeah man, you guys have done a great job. I really love this one and I'm expecting more from you guys in the future. I would love to watch more comedy videos with a good message from you guys. Thank you so much for making this video. It's amazing, awesome, and shout out to all of you guys who have worked in this comedy video, in this project, making it a successful one. You know, huge shout out to all of you. And yes, special shout out to each and every one of you who have come to watch this reaction. So thank you so much. Amen. Northeast for life. Here we go. Ting ting ting.